The time value of money is a fundamental financial principle that states money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future, due to its potential earning capacity. The concept is based on the idea that money can earn interest or returns over time. For example, if you have 1,000 pesos today and invest it at 5% annual interest rate, it will grow to 1,050 pesos after 1 year. Hence, 1,000 pesos today is more valuable than 1,000 pesos 1 year from now because of the opportunity to earn income from it. The difference between nominal interest rate and effective interest rate. So, nominal interest rate is the advertised annual interest rate without considering compounding frequency, while the effective interest rate is the actual interest rate earned or paid after accounting for compounding during the year. Compounding is the process of earning interest on both the principal and the previously earned interest. It accelerates the growth of an investment over time. Compounding periods refer to how often interest is applied or calculated within a year. Compound amount is the future value of an investment after interest has been compounded for a certain number of periods. So, present value is the current worth of the future sum of money or stream of cash flows given a specific rate of return. It reflects how much a future amount is worth today. Future value is the amount an investment is worth after a certain number of periods at a given interest rate. It shows the impact of interest over the time of an investment.